What is stratified sampling? Very simple. In stratified sampling, researchers divide the subgroups. That subgroup is called strata. That subgroup will be decided based on certain characteristics they share. It can be race, gender, educational qualification, or maybe IQ, EQ, any one particular parameter used. Based on that parameter, you will group them. That is called strata. Strata means group. And once divided, each subgroup is randomly sampled using another probability sampling method. Because here this particular strata is used for grouping the people. After that, you will select each, whichever the group is necessary for you, then you will go on select it. This is what called stratified sampling. I'll catch you in the next video.